Do you struggle with color grading? Well, I used to, but all of that changed when I got introduced to this plugin. So let's go right into it. I edit with Premiere Pro, and I'm just gonna open a random project, and all I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to go to Effects. Effects is right here, and then I'm gonna type in Enhancer, and all I'm gonna do is drag and drop. And as you can see, the effect has already been added. I'm just gonna go to input right here, and then I'm gonna say choose camera, and then I'm gonna look for the name of my camera. It's a Sony FX30. Bam. And just like that, we have some nice footage. This is more of a gritty look. If you want to change the stylistic vibe, what you can do is go down to film right here and select the drop down window, and you can select a lot of different presets. This looks nice. You can adjust the contrast and stuff like that after. I really love this tone as well. I really love this tone. Maybe I'll play with the white balance a little, but I really love that tone. So yeah, it's as simple as that. Like, color grading is way easier with Enhancer. It's my favorite plugin to use right now. And I'm gonna try out a few more different stylistic effects or stylistic colors, so you guys can understand how interesting this is. So all of this is just straight from the camera. Even the black and white. Even the black and white looks so nice. Now this is new. Pull it up. So yeah, it's as simple as that. Like, color grading isn't hard. And let me just try another clip. Bam. Blah, blah, blah.